Hi kids! Today we're going on a fun adventure with shapes. Are you ready to learn about different shapes? Let's get started!
Look at this shape. It's a circle. Circles are round and they don't have any corners. Now, here's our next shape. It's a square. Squares have 4 sides that are all the same length. They also have 4 corners. Now, let's check out this shape. It's a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Triangles can look like a slice of pizza or a big, tall mountain. And look at this one. It's a star. Stars have 5 points and can be really fun to look at. Stars sparkle like magic. So today we learned about circles, squares, triangles, and stars. You did an amazing job finding and naming shapes. Remember, shapes are everywhere. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to look for shapes around you and have fun. See you next time.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.